Looking for a pressure washer that handles your toughest job site tasks? The DEWALT DWPW2100 is designed for professionals who need serious cleaning power. Whether you're a contractor, landscaper, or just dealing with heavy-duty cleaning, this washer is built to get the job done. The DEWALT DWPW2100 stands out with a max pressure of 2,100 psi, delivering forceful power to tackle job site messes. Compared to the competition, this machine strikes the perfect balance of power and portability. At just 24 pounds, it's easy to transport with its 4-inch solid wheels and a telescopic handle, so moving it around the site is effortless. You'll also love the onboard storage system. The wand, hose, and nozzles all have dedicated spots, which means no more wasting time searching for the right tools. Grab your 25-foot high-pressure hose in seconds and start working. Need different pressure levels? The 4 quick connect nozzles, ranging from 15 degrees to turbo, let you adjust the pressure based on the task at hand, whether it's delicate fencing or stubborn concrete stains. When it comes to durability, the DEWALT DWPW2100 shines. The solid steel frame can withstand the rugged demands of a job site. Paired with a kink-resistant hose and 35 feet GFCI power cord, you've got extended reach and long-lasting performance. Need to clean large areas? This washer combines its PSI and 1.2 GPM for a total of 2,520 cleaning units, making it powerful enough to tackle grime without overdoing it. What's more, the removable soap tank makes cleaning with detergent a breeze. Just switch to the soap nozzle, and the built-in soap injection system does the rest. This feature alone takes this washer beyond basic performance, giving you versatility for vehicle washing, prepping surfaces for paint, or cutting through grease. The DEWALT DWPW2100 isn't just powerful, it's reliable. With a 13-amp universal motor and axial cam pump, you can count on consistent pressure. Plus, it's backed by a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring that this washer is built to last. Need something compact for lighter tasks? The Best Black & Decker pressure washer is up next. It's already loaded on the screen, perfect for small home projects and budget-friendly solutions.